What's up, everybody? Kingsley Breaks here. Doing another personal box break of 2015-16 O-Pee-Chee Platinum. This time for Joe Pizzle in the YouTube stream. We have another personal box break coming up. Jason also grabbed one right now. So after this, we're going to get one for Jason going. What's up, Jason? Alright, man. So let's see what we got in here. So yours will come after this, okay, Jason? He technically hit me up that he was gonna get one like legit a minute or two before you said yes, so just gotta go with him first. He let me choose his fate, but obviously you can choose yours. I have 3 boxes after this, so, and then after yours I have 2 left. I can't wait till 18-19 O-Pee-Chee Platinum comes out. I already told myself that regardless of what I'm doing, if I'm still breaking, I don't care. If I am still breaking, obviously that's the best thing, but I'm going to try to get like 15 cases of this just to have in case obviously we go E-Pack and it's like struggle to find. I don't care where I'll get the extra money to keep the 15 cases in stock and not have to worry about them, just to have them. I love me some platinum. And every year has been getting better and better, I believe. I like it a lot. 16-17 was probably one of my favorite, besides this one. But this 18-19 was pretty cool. And of course, for Vancouver Canucks fans, Buffalo Sabres fans, Darlene, Middlestad, of course, and Pedersen are going to be really nice to chase out of this. Alright. Good luck, Joe Pizzle. Stevenson, rookie. Schneider. Olofsson. Datsuk. Nikolai Ehlers as a Trax rookie. It's pretty nice. Again, Kyle Bond, Sprong, Daniel Sprong, De La Rose, Foucault, Hannafin, Ribeiro, Sakic, Jean-Marc. Murray rookie. Domi rookie. Yeah, we got Matt Pumpel. White Ice, 20 of 99. Ovi with his second hat trick of the week, 32 of 75. Dude has 28 goals in 30 games played, or 31 games played. Think about that. Shit. Is he trying to go 50 under 50? If that were to happen, guys, if that were to happen and he goes 50 under 50 or 50 at 50, could we consider him like, I don't know, like, is he on another level now? Like, even on the level that he already is on, is he on another level? Obviously, Gretzky and those guys did it back in the day, But I think, obviously, in this day and era, it's really hard to do that. I mean, first of all, it's really hard to get 50 goals. 157 to 199. But, I mean, if he came close, or even if he got that, you know what I mean? Like, could we consider him on another level? Like, then here it is. It just won't happen because it's just too hard. It's too hard to score 50 goals in 50 games, and at the same time, it's hard to score 50 goals in general because of how good the goalies are these days. Rantanen rookie. Wow, you got a little purple. Nice, Mark Stone. He's having a good year for the Senators. And that is 5 of 25. Purples. Always really nice. People always want to collect the purple set. Sound like I said Percocet. Molly Percocet. And, well, there you go, man. No McDavid autograph, but little McDavid rookie. I mean, I'm not. So there you go. Thank you, Joe Pizzo. Appreciate that, man.